Tripura hafone Pherang tangbedek te Asian Development Bank ni luajimung bai songsa jakmani energy conversion te implementation process no tewe koksana ne bagai Rajakhor aguli ni polo tower hotel songsa jakha salsani stakeholder samwng bwtang swrang a samwng bwtang ni panda phai manjak phai ka haste ni montri okra Dr.Manik saha Pherang tangbedek ni montri Ratan nath kuchuk thai ni samwng khwlai nai sachib J.K.Singha ni logi Asian Development Bank ni samwng khwlai ni phai manjak phai man nukjaka haste ni tabuk ni jorawo Pherang ni shebrok no tewe te Tripura ni renewable energy no tewe kokshaka montri okra aboni logiwo Asian Development Bank ni financial support do haste ni Pherang ni shebrok no tewe kaham kena samwng khwlai bitangka Tripura khani saklai ka montri.
And I would like to share some of my points in this great gathering. The workshop energy transition of Tripura will create the spirit to promote the renewable energy in the state, to meet up the ambitious target of our country. An ever-growing population means an ever-growing requirements of energy. Nowadays, enormity of energy cannot be denied. It is essential in every walk of life knowing the dreadful fact that non-renewable sources will eventually depleted, and as nation contend with the increasingly devastating impact of climate changes, largely caused by anthropocentric developmental activities, the role of renewable energy in the energy and electricity mix becomes primary. Renewable energy has become one of the most important factors and hope for the world to preserve the pristine environment and the planet resources for future generations.
Haste ni renewable energy by kahamlama phonona ni bagai Tripura haste no $220 million loan reka Asian Development Bank song abo haike sebruma ni bagai ruki ani open cycle gas turbine drog no tebo combined cycle ni sebruwe aborok kabang khlaiwe 120 megawatt khlai jaka swrang salo abo no tebo ni kok saklaika haste ni Pherang tangbedek ni montri Ratan nath.
Possibilities are emerging for the energy sector in the country. Tripura is a hilly state of northeastern region of the country. There are several constraints like geographical isolation from the mainland and infrastructure bottleneck in case of development of the state. In spite of all the constraints, state government has taken up various programs for development socially and economically backward people in the state. Many of the developed and developing countries have started giving efforts to increase the share of renewable energy in the overall energy mix of their economies. Government of Tripura has been strengthening the decentralized renewable energy applications such as grid and off-grid programs through introduction of scheme that is PM Kusum, Gramin Bazar, Alok Jyoti Prakalpo, microgrids through solar and biogas, etc. Aiming at providing energy access solution in the rural and remote areas. So far, 20 megawatt capacity green energy plants are installed and 500 megawatt is targeted till 2030. Green village 120 megawatt, rooftop solar at government establishment 20 megawatt.
Haste hafang dalbidal economics institution te private industry thansa angai 120 zona phawi manjak phai ka swrang salni samwng bwtang go bureau report khwlai.